Hey, Mike here, product specialist at BWGS. Thanks for checking out our indoor growing channel. Today we're going to take a look at our all-new all-in-one CMH units, ideal for all types of indoor gardens. These island systems are compatible with 120 volt, 208 and 240 volt operations. The ballast also operates at a low frequency, which is ideal for our enhanced lamps. Some of the safety features include soft start technology, hot restrike prevention, end of lamp life recognition, and thermal overload and circuit protections. All our Ion all-in-one systems include high-performance Optimum enhanced CMH lamp rated at 3100 Kelvin with a CRI of 90% and initial lumens of 32,500 to complete your indoor gardening setup. Keep a lookout for our videos on our USB controllers, and to learn more on how to get lit up, go to ionballast.com.